Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. This question is from SET examination. So question is, let G be the group of invertible 2 cross 2 matrices over the field Z2. Z2 is equal to 0 and 1. Then the number of elements in G is question mark. Then we have 4 options. Option 1 is 6. Option 2 is 2. Option 3 is 4. And option 4 is 8. So this question is related to basic types of matrices, and if you know theory of that matrix, then we can find its answer very easily. That is, this question is totally based on general linear concept. This is one type of a matrices, and before we start the solution, firstly we have to consider given conditions. That is, here G is an invertible group with 2 cross 2 matrices over the field Z2, and Z2 contains 2 elements, that is 0 and 1. Here, note that G is an invertible group. What is the invertible condition? When determinant is not equal to 0, then we can say it is an invertible. Okay, so this is our given condition. Now, main question is what is the general linear? So, we can see it's a definition. General linear is denoted by GL and F, where N represents its order, that is order of given matrix, and F represents field. Field can be divided into two parts. Either it is infinite field or it is a finite field. If our field is infinite, then it can be Q, R or C, that is rational or real or complex. But if we have finite field, then finite field can be represented by FQ or ZQ. So this is our basic theory. Now, to find the solution, that is to find the order of GL and FQ, that is order of general linear, we have a formula q raised to n minus q raised to n minus 1 into q raised to n minus q raised to n minus 2 up to so on q raised to n minus q raised to 0, that is 1. So by using this formula, we can solve this question very easily. So here n is equal to what? 2, because we have a 2 cross 2 matrices, that is matrix with order 2. And what is FQ? FQ is nothing but Z2. Z2 contains 2 elements, that is 0 and 1. So we can write order of GL to F2. So n is equal to 2 and q is equal to 2. So put these values in this equation, then we get 2 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 0. So answer is 6. So 6 is our correct answer. So option number 1 is true. But we are going to check this answer is correct or not. For that purpose, we are going to use definition of general linear. That is, when we take GL to F2, that implies A is a matrix of order how much? 2, because n is equal to 2, such that determinant is not equal to 0, and this A, B, C, D, that is A, B, C, D whole belongs to Z2, because Z2 is filled here. F2, we can write F2 or it can be Z2. So we have to find those matrices whose determinant is not equal to 0, and each entries belongs to F2, that is each entries belongs to 0 and 1, that is Z2. So we have a collection of those matrices, that is first matrix is 1 0 0 1. See, all entries are 0 and 1, and which belongs to obviously Z2, that is our field. And when we take its a determinant is equal to how much? 1, and 1 is not equal to 0. Yes, it is not equal to 0. Therefore, this matrix belongs to GL to F2. Similarly, consider second matrix. When we take its a determinant, then its a determinant is minus 1, and minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this matrix also belongs to GL to F2. Similarly, third matrix, its a determinant is 1, 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this belongs to GL to F2. Similarly, last option is 1 1 1 0. So its a determinant is minus 1, and minus 1 is not equal to 0. Therefore, last matrix also belongs to GL to F2. So these are in 6 numbers, which we have already find by this formula. Therefore, 6 is the correct answer. Therefore, option number 1 is true. This question is also from SET examination. So question is, let W be the subspace of R4 spanned by the vectors. First vector is 1 2 0 0, it's a transpose. Second vector 0 1 2 0, it's a transpose. And third vector 1 1 minus 2 0, it's a transpose. The dimension of the quotient space R4 divided by W is question mark. Then we have a 4 option. Option 1 is 1, option 2 is 2, option 3 is 3, and option 4 is 4. So this is a very basic question from linear algebra topic and which is based on concept of quotient spaces. In this question only we have to find dimension of R4 divided by W. For that purpose we are going to use one formula, that is, if V is a finite dimensional vector space and W is a subspace of V, then dimension of V by W can be written as dimension V minus dimension of W. Therefore, dimension of R4 divided by W can also be written as dimension R4 minus dimension of W. Denote this equation as equation number 1. Now in question, W is spanned by 3 vectors and each vector with its transpose. Therefore, W can be written as 1, 2, 0, 0. It's a transpose, that is 1, 2, 0, 0. Similarly, second is 0, 1, 2, 0. It's a transpose, that means 0, 1, 2, 0. And lastly, 1, 1, minus 2, 0. It's a transpose, that means 1, 1, minus 2, 0. So, W is a matrix of order 4 cross 3. Now, we reduce this matrix to find its dimension. Firstly, we use row transformation on R2, that is R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times R1. Therefore, we have 1, 0, 1 as it is. Second row changes. Similarly, we use row transformation on R3, that is R3 tends to R3 minus 2 times R2. Therefore, W is equivalent to first and second row remains as it is. W is reduced to this matrix, and when we try to find its dimension, then clearly we can see first row and second row are non-zero. Therefore, dimension of W is equal to how much? 2. So, denote this as equation number 2. And we know that dimension of R4 is equal to how much? 4. So, denote this as equation number 3. So, use equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. Then we get dimension of R4 divided by W is equal to 4, that is dimension of R4 minus dimension of W is equal to 2. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Option number 2 is true. Thank you.